Most people only think to call a plumber when water damage hits their home. A plumber stops the leak, but that's only step one. Drywall and framing start breaking down within hours, so calling for extraction has to happen right after the source is stopped, not days later once you've sorted insurance. We come in as soon as the source is off and start pulling water out of the floors, walls, and framing before it spreads any further. After extraction, we dry the space fully and document everything for your insurance claim. A contractor only comes in once we've confirmed the space is dry. We're the restoration call in that lineup, available any hour across Brooklyn. Reach out the moment water is actively spreading through your home. Call the plumber, then call us. 347-853-8827.